Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin, and today I will be showing you how to make a Stranger Things logo paper squishy. Anyways, let's just get started. So the materials you will be needing to make this craft is some toy stuffing, a piece of paper, a pair of scissors, tape, and any coloring material. The first thing you're going to do is take a piece of paper and fold it in half. With your folded piece of paper, you're going to sketch out a rectangle lightly, and then you're going to sketch out the Stranger Things logo. If you're struggling to freehand the Stranger Things logo, then you can feel free to use this hack, which is by taking a photo of the Stranger Things logo, and then taking your paper and putting it on top of the light of the photo, and adjusting the logo to fit your rectangle. And this just makes it a lot easier to get an accurate design. After you finish sketching, you can move on into coloring. Coloring the squishy is super simple, so all I did was outline the logo in black Sharpie, and then I just colored the rest in with a red marker. Once you've finished coloring your design in, you're going to take your tape and cover the whole design. Now you're going to cut your design out. This step is optional, but I will be taping the back of my squishy. After both of your sides are taped, you're going to tape up the edges, and you're going to leave one open. Now that you have one hole open, you're going to take your stuffing and fill it up. After stuffing your squishy, you just have to tape up the edge where you stuffed, and you are done. So if you guys are interested in buying this squishy for $3 on Etsy, make sure to check my About page or in my description for my Etsy, and I will post it there. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!